Welcome back to 50 Days Odissi Dance Series. Day 14. Turn your leg and do Kumbhapada. Sit down. Both the knees should be side. Thumbs down, place in the shoulder and jump. Remember, don't bend your back. It should be straight as it's shown. In count 1, 2, 3, 4, or likewise you have to do it as it's shown in the video. You can also join us for Odissi song, bhajan, classical song and many more online and offline classes. Also you can join for semi-classical dance, Odissi dance, Sambalpuri dance and special choreography on songs. Hope you like the video. Details are given in the screen. Thank you for watching.